Good morning, guys. It has been a while. So I'm coming with a major life update. Major. Today is my last day with my current firm that I work for. I made the decision to move back home to Baton Rouge, and yeah, it's real. It's getting real. I moved back last Saturday, like Saturday that just passed. Yeah, on the 13th, right before Valentine's Day. My goal is to save. Also bought a little cash car. A very distinct color. It's a noticeable car. I may or may not show it. I've been vlogging and filming things and over these last few weeks, and I just have not been satisfied. I was building like a moving vlog, and it was so scattered. I'm just like, I'm not posting this. I don't think it's cohesive enough. I have a little footage at the dealership when I was buying the little cash car. I did a get ready with me. That was a fail because I only had like 10 minutes to get ready. What else? I cut my hair. I don't know if you can say layers. Yeah. Maybe I can insert little clips, but the footage was trash. That's what I'm trying to say. So now I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. And yeah, I'm about to get on the road. I'm headed to the office, and I'll be probably working for just a little bit to make sure I have all my notes in. And then yeah, make sure I have all my notes in. Turn my equipment back in. Whoa. Really, son? You want to do me like that? Yeah, turn all my equipment in and deliver my thank you notes. It's so surreal. So surreal. So I was in the office like week before last, and I was emotional. And that's the thing. I love my work family. Like, if I could transport my unit, my boss, my paralegals, our paralegals, my coworkers, if I could just transport the whole office, it would be a dream. But of course that's not possible. So I'm just switching to another, agency doing the same kind of work. I'll still be representing children, so yes, that's what's going on, you guys. So my content, my backdrops, and all of that will look a little different now. But yeah, now I have somebody that can take my pictures on the regular. My mom is retired, so I'll possibly be able to like up my fashion content with like my work gear and all of that, just like different looks. It's bittersweet. I'm excited that I'm about to be able to save so much money. But of course, I am going to miss my Lafayette crew. I will. Oh my goodness. So I start my new job Monday, and yeah, I start my new job Monday, and I thought about doing a get ready with me for a first day at work. Y'all want that? Y'all want that? The lawyer edition. I have a cute outfit planned, so I want to take pictures and just, you know, all of the above. So I'm working on things. It's just been a little hectic lately. I did a collab video with an upcoming YouTuber here in Baton Rouge. His channel is Don't Worry It's Slow. He's an old friend of mine, and last night we did like a reaction video. He's into fast cars and doing donuts and just all kind of crazy daredevil stuff. And I went on like a 5-minute ride with him and his cousin, and you'll just have to see. I'm gonna put the video in the description box. Crazy. I wish the lighting would have been a little bit better so you guys could see how my heart was in the pit of my stomach. But yeah, and we have a story time coming, and it's gonna be interesting. We have an interesting past, and yeah, it's going to be probably a little juicy and just crazy. So I have some things coming down the turnpike, but I just wanted to update you guys. I miss doing my weekly uploads. I want to get back into it. I want to properly do a makeup video because that has been requested several times. I want your makeup routine. So I'm gonna do it. I ain't got no makeup on right now, but I ain't nobody's makeup artist, baby. I barely be making it myself, but I do happen to get a lot of compliments on my makeup. So I'll just show y'all what I do, and yeah. I'm getting so many sweet emails. Let me show you. It's been real. It's been real. All right, miss you guys, love you guys, and we're gonna get the ball back rolling with, you know, everything TFB. Sorry for the what is this thing called? Sorry for the steering wheel in the shot. If it's too distracting, I might not upload this. So we gonna see. All right, for real. See y'all later.